Welcome to TechLeaper channel, and in today's video I am going to show you how to create labels on Microsoft Word. So at first open up your Microsoft Word. Now from here open any blank document. Then click on mailings. Then click on labels. And then type anything. Then click on this blank area and then choose any option as you want. If I select 13 per page, then click on OK. Then click on new document. And it's done. You can see your labels has been created successfully. If you want to make tables, just select it, then click on table design. And from here you can choose any design as you want. If I select this, also from here you can change your shading color and you can choose any color as you like. Then click on home tab. From here you can customize your labels text. If you want to make bold your font, just select it and it's done. And that is how you can create labels on Microsoft Word. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.